It's Mother's Day, and today I'm going to take my mom for a little bike ride, and we're gonna go have a nice little lunch. And yeah, I think the best thing you can do for Mother's Day is actually spend time with your mother. This is my mom.
Hello.
So we're going for lunch. Where are we going?
Surprise me.
Greek.
Oh, I like Greek.
Okay. Going for lunch. Yum yum.
Yeah.
Greek food.
Yes. It's really good. It doesn't just look good, it's really good.
Okay, say hello.
Hello.
So we're going on a bike ride.
Yeah.
It's her first time on clips.
No, I have clips.
Okay.
But these kind of clips.
First time on these kind of clips.
Yes.
It's not...
Just have to practice my clips first before we leave.
How do you feel?
Like we're gonna have fun.
How many kilometers are we gonna do?
We'll see. We'll just go with it. 20. Let's hope maybe more.
Bike ride.
Was fun.
Yeah. Was it tough?
No, just fun.
What was your best part?
All of it, really. Just spending time with you really was the best part.
Coffee was my best part.
Yeah, that's pretty good too. But spending time with you.
Yeah. All right, to all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Bye.